Hi guys, bonjour à tous, it's Romy. Today we will see how to make this beautiful silk kimono, which can be another great gift idea for your bridesmaids. In the first episode we already made gorgeous silk scarves, and I am excited to welcome you back for this new episode dedicating to helping you make a great wedding on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe. I will show you an easy and effective way to trace the pattern, and even though I'm taking loads of shortcuts, making it, not 100% haute couture approved, it works great and we'll still get to have fun and style. Also, don't be surprised, I'm using a scale ruler that traces everything 4 times smaller. That way my pattern will easily fit within the frame of the camera. C'est parti! Let's get started! First, I am tracing the center back line, then 3 perpendicular lines. The waistline in the middle, the shoulder line, so this is about how tall you are from the shoulder to the waist, and then from the waist down you need to decide how long you want your kimono to be and trace the length line. Now on the waistline I am marking my waist size divided by 4, that's about 15.5 for me. And then I'm adding 7 centimeters for ease, but feel free to add more. And we can now trace the side line. So to sum up, we have already traced the center back line, the side line, the about shoulders height line, the waistline, and the length line. Now you need to measure how wide your shoulders are, divided by 2, and mark it on our so-called shoulder line. Now measure all around your neck, divide that number by 4 and mark it. From that point, go up 1.5 centimeters and mark. Then on the center back line, go down 1.5 centimeters as well and mark. You are now able to trace the shape of your neck. Now from this point to that point, we are going to trace the real shoulder line. There we go. And if we continue tracing this line, we are starting to trace the shape of the sleeve. So from here to there, you get to decide how long you want your sleeve to be. I am going for 38 centimeters, that is for me a 3/4 sleeve. Now it's time to decide how wide you want your shoulder to be. I'm going for 18 centimeters, so I'm tracing a perpendicular line, marking my 18 centimeters, and then we're going to close the shape of the shoulder. Oh, starting to look good. Let's make it a little bit more exciting. I am making the bottom wider by adding an extra 6 centimeters on the length line, for style, mostly, but also to accommodate my waist and my behind. Now we really need to do something about this terribly placed shoulder seam. Several options. You can erase it and have it all as one piece. You can go for a raglan sleeve, for a traditional sleeve, for a lower place seam. I decided to have my seam straight and to place it 10 centimeters down on the sleeve. I am also quickly but efficiently smoothing that root corner by tracing a soft curve all the way down to the side point of my waistline before tackling the shape of my sleeve. So instead of keeping it that wide at the end, I am just going to make it a little smaller by taking in about 2 centimeters and retracing the seam. We have now created our sleeve and the back piece, and if you're still with me, well done! Pat yourself on the back! For the front part, finally we just need to trace a long diagonal from the neck down to the bottom, like so. I decided to make it cross the waistline at about 3/4 from the other side, so I just divided my waist measurement by 8, marked it, and then traced the line. Now, very important artistic decision. You get to decide the shape of the bottom corner. Round, starting here or there. or just leaving it as is like mine. Let's color code our pattern for you to better understand. This is the shoulder. We will cut it on fold there. And of course we will cut it twice because we're blessed with 2 arms. Now the back piece, we are also going to cut it on fold on that side. And we just knit it once. So times 1. Finally we have the front part and we will cut it 2 times. Now cut, cut and cut. Cut also the shoulder pattern, and then for the back and the front we need to fold this bit. We'll also pre-fold that bit. So like so we have the back pattern, and if we fold that bit and unfold that one, we have the front. I went ahead and traced the whole thing again at the real scale, so we'll be ready in the next episode to cut and sew our beautiful kimono. If this tutorial helped you, give me a thumbs up, share my channel with your friends, and leave me a message in the comment with the name of the country you're watching from. I'd be excited to say hi back. And also, because you don't want to miss the part 2 of this episode, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye! À bientôt!